Hi guys, this is Christina at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to go over cutting out some brushed aluminum nameplates with our laser. The first thing we want to do is open the file we're going to work with. So we're going to go into CB orders 21491, and then there's just one production file in there, so we will open it. So we're going to go Control A to grab everything on the artboard, and since I am shooting this with my other hand, we're going to go Print or Control P. We're going to the Epilog engraver, and we are going to hit Custom here, and you can see our names have populated in there, so we are going to hit Print. So the material we are using today is called Duet. So up here we're going to click on Engrave, and we're going to find the Duet material and import that. And we are also going to vector these. So Duet, import. And just want to show you something. So you're going to take this covering off, and then you're going to load it into the machine like you would do with anything else. We just want to make sure that the grain direction is always going horizontal. So this is what you're going to end up with after you hit print. You do your height adjustment, and then you're good to cut. Thank you.